All right, we're here at Northwest Sports Show. 16th day of March 2024. So we're looking at get all kinds of stuff, fun stuff here. This used to be a two weekend facility, but like it used to be. It used to be 2 floors. They got all kinds of stuff. They got boats. They got all kinds of fun stuff here. You can tell this. So they got this. These suckers are pretty nice. I think they finally let you. You don't need a motorcycle license for these things anymore, I guess. I think they finally did that. So these are pretty cool.
Welcome to the 90th Northwest Sports Show.
90th Northwest.
Fishing seminars taking place all day long, including one-on-one fishing. First up,
You can tell that big ass boat, but this is kind of cool thing right here.
North Country Smallmouths. The event's North Country Smallmouths.
Look at that bad boy. 30 grand.
Also starting at 11, Extreme Raptor Show will be doing daily educational sessions. That is in booth 2101.
We have a small party barge.
Extreme Raptor shows daily educational sessions starting at 11 in booth 2101.
Feels like you're riding a motorcycle.
Northwest Sports Show.
It's kind of nice, huh? Not bad. All kinds of fun stuff. They got all kinds of different stuff here. By Progressive, we got sleds over there, snowmobiles. We didn't have enough snow. Suckers are not cheap either. These are kind of nice. There's a bigger one over there. These things are fun to run around on. 2024, 30 grand. You got canoes here. They're 13 grand, give or take. Motorsports.com. Oh, those bad boys.
Yep.
This one's a nice one right here. This one's a 2-seater, so you can sit behind the other one. 22 grand. There you go. There it is. That's right. It's a nice little one to pull around. Get the 4-wheeler. This one's a farmer one right here. See, this one is $32,000. Not cheap. Not cheap at all. If you're living out in the country, yeah, hell yeah. More party barges up in here. Smaller one, but still kind of nice. Feels like you're driving a motorcycle. Sit right back in here. Sit down here. Oh, relax back in here. Nice size, not too big. 93X is right here. Usually, we're not here today. There's different layouts, as you can see. Sea-Doo switch lineup. Nice. Got a big one over there. kinds of fun stuff in here, man. These things are your little toys to run around in. These are pretty cool. Ooh, we got this. We got my favorite ones, my favorite scamps. They're here. Little bad boys. These are your little trail haulers right here. It's a big ass sled right there. They didn't have much winter this year, so there's my favorite scamps. They're right here, made here in Minnesota. They're smart to be here because they weren't here at the other one. So let's go over here. You can see they just got a bunch of those over there. Oh my goodness, look at that bad boy. Goodness. Oh God. Jesus.
Well, your shower's right here. Oh, that's for outside. Yeah.
No room in these bad boys.
Morning.
Morning.
Can I give you the spiel?
Sure.
So this is Van Diesel,
Okay.
and Vanny DeVito.
Okay.
These are a couple of our rentals that we have available out of Fargo.
All right.
And this one is a Drive 5 Sleep 6.
All right.
Runs fully off-grid, off of a smart lithium battery bank, so you can
All right.
run your AC with no plugins, no generators for
wow.
multiple days at a time.
What's it cost to rent it?
Pardon?
What's it cost to rent it?
This one we got $75 off per night right now.
All right.
For the last couple of weeks of winter. So we got special pricing right here, and then we're going up to our regular summer pricing.
Okay.
So we got Van Diesel, Vanny DeVito, and Nirvana are the three rentals.
Okay, cool.
And if you like it a lot, then we custom build.
Oh, perfect. All-wheel drive?
All-wheel drive, rear-wheel drive. We do mobile medical units, mobile classrooms, travelers, offices, all kinds of different stuff. Our motto is you dream it and we build it.
Yeah. You dream it, you achieve it.
Yep, that's right.
I totally agree.
A couple koozies for the campfire.
Thank you. Appreciate it. Thank you. All right, there you go. That's it there. Hell yeah. You dream it, they'll
This looks like they're rentals.
the rentals. So.
Nice ring.
Oh, hell yeah. Thank you. Yeah. So, over here, we'll look at the scamps real quick. I love scamps. So let's go over here.
Well, you can throw a table in here, a chair.
These are made in Minnesota. So,
Yeah, that one, that's
these are kind of cool. Your one probably sleep right there. Oop.
Squished, yeah.
Watch your head.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Where are they going?
They're little.
Yeah. They're small, but I like. They're kind of cool. This is a nice one. You can sleep in these things. This is nice. I like them. I know they're small, but all you do is pull around. So you have it's your bigger one right here. So they have different layouts, everything else. They're easy to pull. So, anyways, they're right made in Minnesota. So, all right. See you next one.